How to get a Yelp sticker. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I'll teach you how you can get a Yelp sticker. So if this is your question, just ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So here is how to go about it. The first thing to do is to visit the Yelp Find Us on Yelp sticker request page. And then how do you visit this? On your mobile phone or on your PC, whichever one, just go to your web browser and then in the search box type out find find us on Yelp sticker page. Alright, so you can just remove the www dot, just type it out that way and then click on the enter option, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll see several options, which includes want a find us on your sticker request one here. So just click on request one here straight away and then you wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded and you're brought to the find us on Yelp sticker, you can see a write-up about it which says that it's a great way to let customers know about your presence on Yelp, etc, and all of that. So you can just scroll down until you can see the link for you to fill a form. So you can just scroll down and then you can see to request a find us on Yelp sticker, simply fill out this form. So just click on the form and then you'll be asked to open the form using any of the apps on your phone. Click on your web browser and then you'll be directed to that page. Ensure you fill the form, fill out the required or the requested information, so which includes your country name, business name, last name, address, company name, address line, email, city. Fill in all of this and then click on submit and then you're good to go. And you must note that stickers are currently shipped to addresses within the US and Canada only, and you can expect delivery within 3 to 4 weeks. So here is how to go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.